Hi, I'm Paul Wilson. I'm Partstown Technical Trainer. We're here today to remove the door seal on a Hobart Undercounter and replace it with a new seal. This process is the same for all undercounter dishwashers within the range. So let's get started. The first job is to remove the old door seal, starting from the bottom. So the door seal is now removed. Before we replace the door seal in the real world on a machine that's constantly being used, you might find that there's debris in the crevice there. You'll need to clean all the crevice out, so you'll just use soapy water and a cloth or a tissue, preferably a cloth in case you get bits of tissue breaking off. You'll wipe all of this recess till it's completely clean, and then once that's clean, you're ready to replace the door seal. Here we have the new seal just taken out of stock. We'll refit this seal back in. So you've got your ribbed edge that goes in first, starting in the corners and then at the bottom. So once you've placed the corner in, you work your way down to the bottom until you get to the bottom, the last bit. Then from this corner, work your way across to about midpoint, and then this corner here, work your way back, and then just run your finger across the seam just to make sure it's all flush all the way down. The same on this side. You'll start from the top, work your way down till you get to the bottom, and there we have a new seal. Finally, just check that your door closes correctly. Just have a look down the sides and then run the machine, check for any leaks. And there you have it, one complete new seal.